Assalamualaikum. Welcome and how are you doing, everybody? Hope you are doing very well. And in this video today we are going to share 20 words, important sentences which we use always, every day in our daily life. Okay, without any delay, let's get started. Okay, আজকে আমাদের এই ভিডিওতে আমরা 20টা এমন বাক্য সম্পর্কে শিখব যেটা আমাদের প্রতিদিনের সময়ে কাউকে জিজ্ঞেস করতে, কোনো কিছু জানতে, কেমন আছে এই বিষয়গুলোতে আমরা ইউজ করি। তো আমি এটা আরিয়ানকে বাংলায় জিজ্ঞেস করবে and Aryan will answer it in English. Okay, কি খবর?
What's up?
কি খবর?
What's up?
কেমন আছেন?
How are you? But in smartly we can say how are you doing?
Okay, তোমার কি খবর?
What about you?
তোমার কি খবর?
What about you?
কেমন যাচ্ছে দিনকাল?
How's everything going?
কেমন যাচ্ছে দিনকাল?
How's everything going?
আমি ভালো, আপনার কি খবর?
I am good, but we can say and what about you?
Okay, I am fine. What about you? তারপর হচ্ছে আমি মোটামুটি আছি।
I'm so but
আমি মোটামুটি আছি।
I am so
আমি খুব ভালো।
I am very well.
আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Or no, I am very well, or we can say I am very nice.
Very nice. Okay. আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you very much, but we can say it smartly that it's so nice of you.
আপনাকে অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
It's so nice of you.
Okay, দেখা হয়ে ভালো লাগলো।
It's nice to meet you.
দেখা হয়ে ভালো লাগলো।
It's nice to meet you.
তুমি চালিয়ে যাও।
Carry on.
চালিয়ে যাও।
Carry on.
Okay, শাবাশ।
Good job or well done.
শাবাশ।
Good job.
তুমি খুব ভালো করেছো।
You did very well.
তুমি খুব ভালো করেছো।
You did very well.
মনোযোগ দাও।
Pay attention.
মনোযোগ দিন।
Please pay attention.
এবার তোমার পালা।
Now it's your turn.
এবার তোমার পালা।
Now it's your turn.
এটা অনেক চমৎকার।
It's fantastic or it's amazing.
এটা অনেক চমৎকার।
It's fantastic.
Okay, আমি আনন্দিত।
I am delighted.
আমি আনন্দিত।
I am delighted.
আমাকে দেখতে দাও।
Let me see.
এটা আমাকে দেখতে দাও।
Let me see it.
Okay, আমার কিছু যায় আসে না।
I don't care.
আমার কিছু যায় আসে না।
I don't care anything.
Okay, thank you for watching to everyone, and you already know that in this through this channel we are sharing all of our experience, how we learned English without any teacher or any coaching or any institution, only at home. Be motivated with us. If you want to improve your English and if you want to improve yourself
and
develop yourself, if you want to be motivated and do something for your life, you can stay with us. Aryan?
Yeah.
Do you want to say anything to everyone?
Yeah. We are not showing you how to learn English. We will also give you some motivation and some general knowledge.
How I spend with time as a working mother, how I spend with Aryan, how I give time to Aryan for his studies, his others activities, and for the time being, for the time being, we want to say Allah Hafiz, goodbye, see you next time, next video.
In peace.
Okay, in peace.